Venus, our closest planetary neighbor, has long captivated our imagination. This enigmatic planet, shrouded in thick clouds, has been a subject of fascination for astronomers and scientists for centuries. Its bright, reflective surface makes it one of the most visible objects in our night sky, often referred to as the morning star or evening star. It is similar in size and mass to Earth, earning it the nickname Earth's twin. However, despite these similarities, Venus is a world of stark contrasts. While Earth is a haven for life, Venus presents an entirely different story. However, any resemblance ends there. Venus is a planet of extremes, with conditions so harsh that they defy our understanding of what a planet can endure. Venus possesses a dense, toxic atmosphere composed primarily of carbon dioxide, trapping heat and creating a runaway greenhouse effect. This thick atmosphere is responsible for the planet's extreme temperatures and crushing pressures. Surface temperatures soar to a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. This intense heat is a result of the greenhouse effect, where the thick atmosphere traps solar radiation, preventing it from escaping back into space. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is 90 times that of Earth, equivalent to being 3,000 feet beneath the ocean's surface. This immense pressure would crush any human-made spacecraft attempting to land on its surface. Sulfuric acid rain falls from the thick clouds, although it evaporates long before reaching the ground due to the intense heat. This acid rain contributes to the planet's hostile environment, making it even more uninhabitable. These extreme conditions make Venus a hostile and unforgiving environment, seemingly inhospitable to life as we know it. The barren landscape, devoid of water and subjected to relentless heat, paints a picture of a world that is anything but welcoming. Yet, amidst this hellscape, a glimmer of hope exists for the possibility of life. Scientists have speculated that microbial life could potentially exist in the more temperate regions of Venus's upper atmosphere, where conditions are less extreme. High above the scorching surface, in the planet's upper atmosphere, lies a region of surprisingly temperate temperatures and pressures. This area, often referred to as the habitable zone, offers a stark contrast to the inferno below. Could this be a haven for life? The possibility, though remote, fuels our curiosity and drives ongoing research. As we continue to explore and understand Venus, we may one day uncover the secrets of this enigmatic planet and its potential to harbor life. Approximately 30 to 40 miles above Venus's surface, the atmospheric pressure and temperature resemble those found on Earth. Temperatures in this region range from a comfortable 86 degrees Fahrenheit to a chilly -22 degrees Fahrenheit. While still extremely dry compared to Earth's atmosphere, the relative humidity in Venus's clouds is high enough to potentially support some forms of microbial life. This temperate zone in Venus's clouds has intrigued astrobiologists for decades. Could life, perhaps similar to extremophile bacteria found in Earth's most extreme environments, survive in this relatively hospitable layer? The possibility, while seemingly remote, is not entirely outlandish. In recent years, a groundbreaking discovery has added fuel to the fire of this intriguing hypothesis. In 2020, a team of astronomers announced the detection of phosphine gas in Venus's atmosphere. This discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Phosphine, a molecule composed of one phosphorus atom and 3 hydrogen atoms, is considered a potential biosignature, meaning it could be a sign of life. On Earth, phosphine is produced by anaerobic microorganisms, organisms that thrive in environments devoid of oxygen. While it can also be produced through certain industrial processes, these are unlikely to occur on Venus. The presence of phosphine in Venus's atmosphere therefore suggests the possibility of biological activity. The detection of phosphine on Venus has been met with both excitement and skepticism. While the discovery is tantalizing, it is crucial to consider alternative explanations before jumping to conclusions. Scientists are actively investigating non-biological processes that could potentially produce phosphine in Venus's atmosphere. One possibility is that volcanic activity on Venus could release phosphine into the atmosphere. However, the amount of phosphine detected is far greater than what is expected from known volcanic processes. Another hypothesis suggests that phosphine could be produced through photochemical reactions in the atmosphere triggered by sunlight. However, these reactions are not well understood in Venus's extreme environment. Section 5. A watery past Venus lost oceans. To understand the potential for life on Venus, we must delve into its past. Scientists believe that Venus may have once been a much different place. Billions of years ago, Venus may have harbored vast oceans of liquid water similar to those on ancient Earth. Computer simulations suggest that early Venus could have had a temperate climate suitable for life as we know it. However, over time, Venus underwent a catastrophic runaway greenhouse effect. Volcanic activity released massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing temperatures to soar. The oceans boiled away, and Venus transformed into the inferno we know today. Section 6. Life in the clouds, a flight of fancy. If life did arise on Venus during its more hospitable past, could it have migrated to the clouds as the planet heated up? Some scientists speculate that microbial life could have adapted to survive in the temperate, albeit acidic, environment of Venus's upper atmosphere. Hypothetical Venusian life forms would need to be incredibly resilient to survive in the clouds. They would need to tolerate high levels of ultraviolet radiation from the sun, as well as the extremely dry and acidic conditions. However, extremophiles on Earth have proven that life can adapt to seemingly impossible environments. Section 7. Unveiling Venus. Missions on the horizon. The tantalizing possibility of life on Venus has spurred a renewed interest in exploring our enigmatic neighbor. Venus, often called Earth's twin due to its similar size and composition, has long been shrouded in mystery. Its thick, toxic atmosphere and scorching surface temperatures make it a challenging target for exploration, but recent discoveries have reignited scientific curiosity. Several space agencies are planning missions to Venus in the coming years, aiming to unlock its secrets and search for signs of life. These missions are not just about understanding Venus itself, but also about gaining insights into the evolution of rocky planets and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. NASA's Da Vinci Plus mission, scheduled to launch in the late 2020s, will descend through Venus's atmosphere, analyzing its composition and studying the planet's climate history. This mission will provide unprecedented data on the atmospheric conditions and could reveal whether Venus ever had conditions suitable for life. The European Space Agency's Envision mission, also slated for launch in the late 2020s, will use radar to map Venus's surface in unprecedented detail, searching for evidence of past volcanic activity and tectonic plates. By understanding the geological history of Venus, scientists hope to learn more about the processes that shape rocky planets. These missions, along with others in development, will provide valuable data that could help us determine whether life ever existed on Venus. The information gathered will not only enhance our understanding of Venus, but also contribute to our knowledge of planetary science and the potential habitability of exoplanets. The quest to unveil the secrets of Venus is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Section 8. Expanding our horizons. The search for life beyond Earth. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most profound scientific endeavors of our time. It drives us to explore the unknown, to push the boundaries of our knowledge, and to question our place in the universe. The possibility of life on Venus, however remote, challenges our assumptions about where life can exist and expands our understanding of the universe's potential for habitability. Venus, with its harsh conditions, was long thought to be inhospitable. Yet recent studies suggest that microbial life could potentially survive in its upper atmosphere. If we discover that life does exist on Venus, even in microbial form, it would have profound implications. It would revolutionize our understanding of biology and the resilience of life. Such a discovery would prompt us to rethink the criteria for habitability and the potential for life on other seemingly hostile planets. It would suggest that life is not a fluke, but rather a common phenomenon throughout the cosmos. This would mean that the universe is teeming with possibilities, and that life could emerge in a variety of environments, not just those similar to Earth. It would mean that we are not alone in the universe. The implications of such a discovery would extend beyond science, touching on philosophy, religion, and our understanding of our own existence. The search for life on Venus is not just about understanding our neighboring planet. It is about understanding our place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. It is a quest that drives us to look beyond our own world and to imagine the possibilities that lie beyond.